So today I'm going to be doing an IMVU avatar. People make a bunch of these avatars on Tumblr usually. Sometimes they don't even play the games, just make a bunch of avatars because they could dress them up. I used to do that with Solio Online or Gaia Online. I never got into IMVU because you had to pay a lot of money for it. Be wary when searching up photos of these, especially on Tumblr. There should be a picture somewhere here of the look I am copying. I don't have all the accessories like the big hoop earrings and thing and then red. That would be brilliant if I did. But I did do the makeup and everything. I don't know what to call this look. She didn't use any pink. It's an avatar. This is a look. Maybe you could use this for Valentine's Day when it comes up. I don't know. That's the next thing that's coming up after New Year's, right? Alright, so this read-through will go through and I'll be talking over it as I should. So I started with some oils on my face because oils work right with me, and then when I set that with makeup, or I put a primer over it and then set it with a loose powder in my face color, it leaves a nice soft film over my face. Like I don't even have to put on face powder with this luxury powder. Also, my face feels real. It doesn't feel like it had makeup on it as I rub over my face. It's really nice and smooth. The palette I use is Retro Love. You know what? They're not sponsoring me, so scratch that. This is just a palette that's a dupe off of Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture one. I didn't show, but I use this psychedelic, which is like a pink pearlescent. I didn't know it was going to be pink. I thought it was going to be like a white shine I could put over my orange setting, whatever. And, well, now it became like nice and pink and, warm pink. With her cheeks, I didn't really carve it out much like hers because I'm doing whatever complements my face. The same thing with the eyeliner. When I look down, when you get to the eyeliner part, when I look down and draw the eyeliner, it's perfect, but when I look up, it makes a skip in the line, and that frustrates me a lot, which is why I do most of my eyeliners in a square shape kind of way. I'll bring you in closer. I'm trying something new. I want to see if just talking about my makeup as it's done instead of talking through it and stopping the flow would be different and would be much better. I mean, usually around these parts with a fast makeup, fast speed through, it's music, and I want to put music, so listen to the tone of my voice. I kind of like the technique of like just dabbing the darkness in your eye socket. I kind of found it for once. Which side do you like better? I like my left side more than my right, and I hated that side at the first time. Practice make perfect. Soon I'm gonna get my perfect eye shape. Soon. So yeah, doing the transition and everything, I started with blush because that's what you're naturally supposed to do, right? You're supposed to naturally blush that color. So it's nice to make that a warm transfer color in your eye socket. Even with cool colors, you make that the only warm tone color if you're a warm tone person, and then fill the rest with blues or greens. I can't wait to find a green IMVU avatar. Also, Sims avatar. If you have a Sims account or something, or Sims if I had enough room in my computer, there will be a Sims on it. I think Sims is another thing I would like to do my makeup off of as well. So if you have any of those, maybe send me a link. I don't know how that would work. How will that work? I'm sure we're past that already, but let's just talk. Doing transitions, blending that, and then dabbing the line, and then blending that up, and then putting concealer over to make your cuts. And to not make it too harsh, you blend that as well when it dries with the second transition color. There's a blush, and then there's a second that's like darkest to light, and then there's the deep one, which is what your line's supposed to be. Now use this second don't use the deep one because it will become muddy. So you blend that in, and then with the rest of the concealer that's left there, look at this motion. What is this? What am I doing? The whatever's left in the concealer. You dab over that to set it with the color I use, which is Fab. Moving on, you don't have to do the highlight. I'm copying Avatar, so it's okay. I don't like doing the black liner in my inner corners, and maybe I'll leave a little space so I could put this highlight next time. Don't go all the way around my eye. My eyes is already small, and I think sometimes it works. Her lashes is spiky. This needs to go up. But sometimes it makes me look, I don't know, weird. Or it just reminds me of something else. What else is there? You know about me contouring my eyebrows with concealer that's my skin color, so it doesn't look too weird when you have like a halo of light concealer around your eyebrows. No, I'm not for that. I'm just going to make a shape out of my eyebrows with that and then fill it in after. Or you could do it the other way as well, but I think I have more control with a brush than with a brush on a concealer container. There may be a link to my Pinterest that have all the avatars I'm going to be using. You could check that out if you want, if I put it. Most likely I won't. Because why would I? Why would anyone want to look at my Pinterest? Okay, so hopefully you like this video and this talk through whatever about me rambling about this look. I will never be as pretty as Avatar. And I have a different face shape. I look too real compared. There are some looks that I really want to do. I found some goth ones that... But there's a lot more of these that's bronzy and different colors, and I would like to try those out as well. Next time I should put my lens in first, but I like to see what I'm doing. The sacrifice. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is how it's supposed to be. Like that. Thank you for watching. These looks mostly will come out because I have nothing else to do. But I do have something to do. It's just I'm trying to practice with makeup work first. So the next video may be the thing I'm doing. Mostly the contest, I think, for Arlo wigs. I have a plan of what I'm going to do, but I haven't done makeup for a while, so I just started doing makeup now. And, well, I think I'm ready to do it with the same wig. Oh, this wig is trouble. Yeah, okay. See ya. Bye. Oh, I forgot. Your name is Larry now, according to another comment. So, Larry, thank you for joining me. Me talking to you. You can't talk. Larry, maybe you could use this one day, Larry. My camera shut off because it says busy. I was just talking to Larry. Anyway. Yeah, it looks plain to me. But plain is good for some people. Yeah. And it's practice. I need to know my face. And... Alright, okay, I love you. Bye-bye. Yeah. That's a good one.